the latest collection of front yard garden design ideas 2023. Explore the beauty of nature with our latest front yard garden design ideas 2023. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dive into the enchanting world of gardening as we present the most innovative and captivating front yard garden designs for 2023. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or someone looking to transform your outdoor space, this collection is your ultimate source of inspiration. In this video, we bring you a curated selection of cutting-edge front yard garden designs, carefully crafted to elevate your home's curb appeal. From modern minimalist concepts to lush, vibrant landscapes, our experts have gathered ideas that cater to every taste and style. Discover how you can transform your front yard into a sanctuary of tranquility and natural beauty. What you can expect. 1. Trend-setting designs. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends in garden aesthetics. 2. Creative landscaping. Unleash your creativity with unique and artistic landscaping ideas. 3. Space optimization. Learn how to make the most of your front yard, regardless of its size. 4. Plant selection. Explore a variety of plants, flowers, and trees suitable for different climates and soil types. 5. DIY tips. Get hands-on with our DIY tips and tricks to bring your dream garden to life. Join us on this visual journey and let your imagination bloom. Whether you're seeking tranquility, entertainment, or a space to connect with nature, our collection has something for everyone. Don't miss out on the chance to create a front yard garden that will be the envy of your neighborhood. Stay connected. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for daily garden inspiration and gardening tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video, so you never miss out on the latest gardening trends and tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the most captivating front yard garden designs of 2023. Let's cultivate beauty and create lasting memories right at your doorstep. Happy gardening!